We have a project plan and each stage has a start date, number of days the stage will take to complete and end date. The start date of the next stage is same as the end date of the previous stage. So the plan is calculated in this manner. But this is not the real life scenario because weekends and holidays are not considered in this plan. So today in this video we will see how we can use Workday function in Microsoft Excel to make this kind of plans more realistic. So stay tuned. Hi, I am your tutor and welcome to my channel Learn in 5 minutes. So let's start. If we are looking to exclude the weekends or weekends along with holidays, we just can't add or subtract dates with numbers. There is a dedicated function in Excel, Workday, which we need to use here in order to make this plan more realistic. But before we use this function, let us understand the arguments which needs to be fed to the Workday function. The first argument is start date. This is the date in which we need to add or subtract days. Second is days. This is the number of days which we need to add or subtract. Third and final one is holidays, which is an optional argument. Here we can feed the list of holiday dates which we want our function to exclude while calculating. So let's use this function now. Instead of replacing the existing data, what we will do here is that we will create a second set of the same data just beside our existing one. So when we are done calculating with our Workday function, we can compare the results. So our start date is 1st of January here, days is 17 and holidays is our list of holidays in this sheet from A2 till A19. We'll just freeze our holiday range here so that when we copy paste this formula, our holiday range is not disturbed. And our end date is 27th of January. So the difference between both our results is 9 days, which means weekends and holidays between 1st till 27th January should be 9. The Workday formula considers Saturdays and Sundays to be weekends. But in case this is different in your region, then there is another similar function which we will see in a while. Let us check the number of weekends and holidays between our start date and end date in the calendar. So the count says 9, which means the calculation is perfect. Now let us fill rest of the cells with the same formula. So after excluding the holidays and weekends, our project will get complete on 28th of September. When compared to our original calculation, the difference in days is 89, which means weekends and holidays between 1st of January till 28th of September should be 89. Let us check this in our calendar. Even our count says 89. That means our project plan calculation is perfect. In this example, we have only calculated the future date from the starting date. But in case if we want to calculate the past date, then our number of days should be simply negative in this manner. The Workday function by default uses Saturdays and Sundays as weekends. But if our region's weekend is different from this, then we need to use Workday International function. We have already seen the arguments needed by Workday function. In addition to the arguments of the Workday function, Workday International function needs one more optional argument, and that is weekend. This argument is to be provided before holiday and after days argument. The valid number of this argument is between 1 to 7 and 11 to 17. Each number represents a different day or days, as you can see on the screen right now. In case if this argument is omitted, then by default it will be considered as 1, which is Saturday and Sunday. If our region has only Sunday as weekend, then our weekend number will be 11. Let's get our positive number back and check how our plan shapes up if our weekend is only Sunday. We will just add .intl in our function name and insert weekend number 11 after day and before holiday range argument. And the difference in days is 3, which earlier was 9. Let us copy paste this formula in rest of the cells. The difference in days now is 41 and our project ends on 11th of August. I hope you got the hang of how and when to use Workday and Workday International function. In case if you have any query on this, do write it in the comment box below and I will try to answer them. So that's all in this video. If you found this video useful, please like and share with your friends. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, do it right now and press the bell icon besides the subscribe button so that you don't miss on any new videos that I upload. Thanks for watching.